Good morning, students. Here, this is the section 2, but we are introduced section 1. What is the importance of the subject construction economics? Then why we are going to require the construction economics and coming to our construction activities. Those are all things you learn section 1. Then importance, what is the need. Now coming into the here section 2, we are going to required, we are seeing the section 1 entire one application that is under coming with infrastructure development. Once that is coming with infrastructure development, there will be required, there will be to build, to propose any type of the or civil engineering application. I think all of you know what are the type of the application generally we go to the involving, generally we go to the give our civil engineering applications. Major one is buildings. I think all of you know that is under the infrastructure. Second major sector is road works, that is called as the transportation engineering. Here you must and should to required each and every in the transportation engineering to we are going to know major sector is under coming to the there also under coming to classifying to transport different ways, different kinds, that is called as the one is the road activity and another one is the rail to transport the vehicle, to transport the goods, what are the things they by using for the rails, by using for the airways or by using for the seaways. These are all the major sector we are going to be using under coming to this the transportation. In this how we are going to develop, that is also to develop. Before that we must have to require our course, our construction economics. Same way to require one more application, one more field is to build or otherwise going to propose any type of the to facilitate to create one of the major sector is to facilitate under coming to the what are the water, otherwise what are the wastage to develop there the our areas. Those will be going to the how we are how the such type of the wastages we are going to the removing, we are going to the taking some measures. Those are all under coming to the to facilitate to create. One more important thing is to facilitate water, that is the how your water going to facilitate in the farming of to there also to require to the water utilizing different kinds. Somebody they required to survival they or otherwise somebody they use the water some different application. Same way we are going to use somebody using for the cultivator. In this also to require to construct irrigation, to develop the irrigation activities and recommend this there to need this is also one of the construction economics. Same way we are going to develop the to store the water and to public requirements. What are the things there, what are the purpose they are going to utilizing such type of the water, that is called as the dams or otherwise that is called the, like as a Polavaram, like as a Srisalam, like that. That is also under one of the major sector to developing into the such type of the construction, such type of the projects. There, what are the type of the projects? They must and should we are aware. What are the we are learned our session 1, the session 2 is we are going to the to require from these sectors also, from these applications also. Entire are covering it entire they to need our economics, construction economics. In this section 2 we are going to the why or the objectives are there to construction economics. There must and should be aware, there must and some now we are going to the give some of the key points we are introduced, that is the under coming to the cost estimations, important thing, that is one of the key parameter. The second one is cost control, that is also one of the how the controlling the cost to required as a civil engineer. Then one more parameter is that is called the value engineering, that is also one of the important thing, that is important requirement. The next one is optimal resource allocations, how the resource allocation under coming to the in this to utilizing, that is an important parameter. These are all the objectives of the cost estimation to know the construction economics. then you coming to the cost control, then you coming to the value engineering, then you coming to the optimal resource allocation. So to learn these the four, here the followed some type of the objectives also to required to know the construction economics. Those are all the life cycle cost analysis, that is also one of the important chapter, important objective from this our construction economics. Same way to coming to the what the type of the management under coming to the risk point of view, that is the coming to the risk management. This is also to required to know the our one more objective of the our construction economics. The next one is under coming to the objective is sustainable cost management. How much amount of the sustainable, that is the how the management we are going to require manage all those things under coming to the sustainable cost management. Then you coming to the how you are going to require under coming to the market analysis under coming to the, this is also one of the important objective under coming to the market analysis. The next one is under coming to the optimization of productivity, how the productivity to optimize there to achieving ours. That is all the, these are all the objectives to learn our construction economics. That is under coming to the what, these are all the objective to require our construction economics. I think once again I am going to repeat, repeatedly give to you, repeating to all of you, please to aware under coming to these are all the objective need to require to construct economics. Without knowing, this is also one of the important course nowadays to require as a civil engineer. Then finally we are going to evaluate how much amount of the cost we are going to propose. Then we are going to expand all those things with our hand. Automatically we are a good successful civil engineers. In this under coming to the, these are all objectives. One more time I am going to repeating cost estimations, then second one is the cost control, then third one is value engineering, then optimal resource allocation, that is also to require, this is one of the objective. Then life cycle cost analysis, then one more objective risk management, then you coming sustainable cost management, then coming to the market analysis, then coming to optimization of productivity. These are all the objectives under coming to our construction economics. My dear students, please all of you aware, please all of you known, you required these are all things under coming to our construction technology and management. In this we are involving in this our major the projects under coming to the roads or other railway project, or coming to the infrastructure project, or otherwise coming to any development of the airport, proposal of the airport development, or otherwise to go into to construct any type of the structures under coming to seashore areas. To must and should be aware this the course. So all of you you know, all of you justify what are the field we are going to be chosen. In this I am going to conclude, in this I am going to stop our session 2 lecture. We are going to be resuming in the section 3. Then we are going to be discussing elaborately these are the objective, these are objectives under coming to learning under introduction to the economics. Then please all of you summarize, please all of you remember all those things. We are going to meet section 3. Thank you very much.